In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Slack QR code in just a few minutes. If you're looking to streamline access to your Slack workspace, utilizing QR codes can be incredibly efficient. Let's walk through the steps necessary to set this up quickly and easily. First, let's head over to the Slack homepage, open your web browser and type in slack.com to access the Slack website. Once you're on the page, you'll see various options to explore Slack's AI work management and productivity tools. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with these as they offer complex functionalities to aid in daily work operations. Now let's sign into your account. You'll find the Sign In button prominently displayed on the page. If you're using Google as your authentication method, click on Sign In with Google. This option simplifies the login process if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, making it faster and seamless. With that done, you should now be directed to your Slack dashboard. Your dashboard is essentially the central hub where you'll manage your Slack workspace and communications. From here, let's add applications that will be crucial in creating your QR code. Look for and click on the Add Apps button. It's usually located on the left sidebar and allows you to integrate a variety of applications with Slack, enhancing its utility. After selecting Add Apps, a search bar should appear. In the search bar, type in Unicode. Unicode is the application we're going to use to generate your Slack QR code. Once it appears, click on it to proceed to the apps page. Next, you'll need to install Unicode to your Slack workspace. You should see an option to install. Click on this and follow any prompts that might come up to give the necessary permissions for installation. This step is crucial because granting permissions allows Unicode to integrate properly with your workspace, enabling it to generate QR codes quickly. After installation, you'll see an option to Add to Slack. Go ahead and click on this button. This will finalize the integration of Unicode with your Slack environment. Upon completion, Unicode will be accessible within your Slack workspace, allowing you to create QR codes whenever needed. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Unicode app to generate QR codes in Slack. This tool can now help you share workspace links efficiently by simply scanning QR codes, eliminating the need for manually typing email invites or links. Through these steps, creating a Slack QR code becomes a convenient feature that enhances how you manage access and communication in your team or organization. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your Slack usage even more productive.